Hello and welcome to my channel. This is English Grammar with Zipporah. Today is our first lesson in our grammar series called Subject Pronouns, Nouns in English. In English, we have things called subject pronouns. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A pronoun is a word that replaces the name of a noun, and a subject is the most important noun in the sentence. For subject pronouns, we have first, second, and third person pronouns. For first person, we have the pronouns I for only one noun and we for two or more nouns. For second person, we have the pronouns you for only one noun and you all for two or more nouns. Sometimes you will hear you for both one or more nouns. This is also correct. And for third person, we have the pronouns he for one male or man, she for one female or woman, it for one thing that is not a person or an animal, and they for two or more nouns. This is the same for male or female. For example, in the first person form, we can say, I eat and I shop for one person, and we talk and we read for two or more nouns. In the second person form, we can say, you smile and you laugh for one person, and you all look and you all hug for two or more nouns. And in the third person form, we can say, he sees and he shakes for one noun, masculine or male. We are only talking about one noun, okay? Next one is she drinks and she wears for one noun, feminine or female. We are only talking about one female noun. Now we have nouns that are not people or animals, so it sits and it smells for one noun. Lastly, we have they watch and they listen for two or more nouns. Also, you may have noticed that for the third person singular forms, the verbs or the actions the noun does have a S added at the end. I will explain this in another video later. I will link it in the description box and also in the cards when it is uploaded. Now we will have our exercises. We will have 3 exercises for third person plural, 2 or more nouns, first person singular, 1 noun, and second person plural. Okay, now for third person plural, we have Kev, Lee, and Erica sit. What would be the pronoun here? Next, for first person singular, we have Tina wash. What would be the pronoun here? Lastly, for second person plural, we have Jason, John, and Jason work. What would be the pronoun here? Okay, now please pause this video and practice these exercises on your own. The answer will be given in the next grammar video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video with the exercise answers and grammar lesson. Visit my channel to book a private lesson to practice your English one-on-one. Thank you again and see you soon.